Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by checking Essentials. Make sure your iPhone 14 is unlocked and on the latest iOS because updates fix eSIM bugs. Once done, get the carrier's eSIM QR or activation details. You'll need them for activation. Now open Settings, tap Cellular, then add Cellular Plan. Point your camera at the QR or enter the code manually. This registers the second line as an eSIM while preserving your physical or existing line, so you can use both numbers without swapping SIM card. Once the eSIM is active, label each plan so you don't confuse numbers during calls. Tap the plan and pick a label like primary or secondary. Then set defaults. Choose which line you want for iMessage and FaceTime, and select your cellular data line in Cellular Settings. Make sure Allow Cellular Data Switching is enabled if you want calls on either line while using data. These settings control routing and cost, so confirm them now to avoid surprises when you make calls or use mobile data. To use dual SIM, select which line to use when calling by tapping the current number on the call screen or setting a default per contact. Once done, manage plans in Settings Cellular. Disable or remove an eSIM if you no longer need it. If activation fails, restart your iPhone and rescan the QR or re-enter the code. Make sure cellular data is on and airplane mode is off. If problems persist, contact your carrier because activation issues are usually carrier side, and they can reprovision your eSIM.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.